crazy, he been getting straight to it. I cause him manifesting and I'm fucking on the stories. Catch me in Atlanta, no security with my jewelry. Found out I'm rich, my baby mama talking soon. Got a bitch telling lies on the pussy like you screwing me. Catch him down bad, that's his ass, nigga, you and me. Inside diamonds on the chain, he ain't fooling me. We was skipping school on the train, that could see my main partner turn into a rag, tell my rock. I pray the judge get a boy a bus so I can pop. We was in the hood, selling bathroom choppers out of fucking around and try to go and lease a helicopter. Baby really a problem, somebody gotta stop him, man. I'm haters watching too hard, I think they got binoculars. Every nigga with me, I'm go, it ain't no stopping us. Niggas acting like they got the back, I'm trying to stop it up. Do this for the bros down the road, gotta lock it up. All you gotta do is say smoke, then we popping up. Baby got the streets on hold, he ain't drop it. I been going hard, it's gonna be hard for you to talk that. I make it look easy, but this shit really a project. I'm really a millionaire, still in the project. Baby putting on for the city. Baby, he the realest. Baby probably got a couple million. Baby having 4 or 5 killers. Baby got children. Baby probably still drug dealer. Baby ain't a trapper, he a rapper. Baby making classes. Baby in the hood getting active. Baby keep it real with his people. Baby like a preacher. Baby probably still saying real.
Baby probably still got them hoes. I told my bitch I'm faithful, but I still got the hoes. Baby getting jiggy. Stays with the blizzard. Baby CEO. Shit ain't like it hit it. You would think it's Mardi Gras, I got these bitches showing titties. And I ain't throwing beads, pulling bitches weed. Stalling bitches out if I'm a daughter, she'll flee. When I fuck a doggy style, the only time I'm on my knee. I barely wanna hit her, gotta beg him, baby, please. I tell the bitch to shut up, about to fuck my nut up. The label CEO keep begging me to keep the gun up. They know, you play with baby, baby, beat and cut up. Private plane, on FaceTime with Johnny. I told him ice my wrist up, I like to hold my fist up. How they boy the baby in the end, getting his dicks up. Why he keep the fire, throwing foes in every picture.
Baby putting on for the city. Baby, he the realest. Baby probably got a couple million. Baby having 4 or 5 killers. Baby got children. Baby probably still drug dealer. Baby ain't a trapper, he a rapper. Baby making classes. Baby in the hood getting active. Baby keep it real with his people. Baby like a preacher. Baby probably still saying real.